favorite dish. But how to make them? That's what I want to show you today. But to make you ready, we will need some ingredients. Milk, cow's milk, but you can use any milk you like.
You can use coconut milk, almond milk, hedgehog milk, chicken's milk, and even dinosaur milk, but I don't really recommend the dinosaur milk because it's basically 99% poison and 1% fat, so I wouldn't really recommend that.
Back to the cooking. We will need some flour, plain flour. You'll need plain flour and 400 grams of it. So, we'll need 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some tools like a scale, for example, a measuring cup, and, for instance, a bowl. You'll also need a mixer. It can be any mixer, it can be an electric one, but you can use anything. You can use a spatula for mixing, you can use You'll need a pan or a crepe machine would be ideal if you have one. Filling and decoration of the pancake, I'll use some jam, homemade jam from my grandma, some fruits, something like this, and cocoa. Well, something like this, I forgot its name, but anyway. Let's get to work. We'll take the bowl and let's crack all 4 eggs. Make sure there are no shells inside. Now let's get to the milk. So we'll need 800 milliliters. This is only 500, so I'll need to refill. Now to the flour. I'll just take the bowl and put it on the scale, and I'll zero in. I'll open the flour packet. And we'll need 400 grams. Its consistency should be a lot thicker yogurt drink. I'll show you. So, you can use a crepe machine if you have one, great. But a normal pan is also a very good. I'll just use the crepe machine and I really recommend it. It's 7 times quicker, it's a lot healthier, it has less oil, and it's easier to flip the pancakes over, and I really recommend it. Now, here you see numbers from 1 to 6. I just always put it on 6 because that's the quickest. Here, switch it on and switch it off. And here it's red. It means the machine is not ready yet. When it flashes green, then we can start making the pancakes. Now I'll take some dough. I won't take the whole spoonful. I'll put it there. And I quickly need to. Yeah, that's it. Now we'll wait about 25 to 30 seconds. I'll need to wait a bit. So if you want like a really professional dough and a really good dough, then it would be better to let the dough in the fridge overnight. And it'll be really nice. We tried it once and it really worked. It was a lot better. Now I think that's it. Let's try to flip it over. Nice one. I just love the color, like hazel brown. Lovely color. Now I'll wait a bit. Check. bit more. Let's just wait 10 more seconds. Good. I think that's kind of enough. And hey presto, we have one pancake. Now for the decoration, I'll show you 2 ways how to fold the pancake before doubling it up. Now, the first way, we forgot the jam. So what I will do is just open this, excuse me. Okay, sorry, after a few minutes, we kind of got it open. There are 2 ways, so we have 2 pancakes. I'll show you, on every pancake, I'll show you 1 way of folding a pancake. So, I'll spread the jam all over, the homemade jam from my grandma. So, as you can see, homemade jam is very tough to spread. But I just wanted to show you the 2 ways. Now, you fold it in half. Now I'll show you the pizza way. The pizza way, you fold it in half. And then again, you take this half and you fold that half again. So it's like a pizza piece. The second way, I'll also spread some jam on it. And now the second way is the normal rolling, but I'll give you 1 tip, so that all the jam and let's say the fruits you would like, so they all don't fall out when you're eating it. I would say first, on the bottom, you do a cut like that, and then you just roll it up. But I just do it like this, both sides, just in case. I'll roll it up. So basically, when you're holding it like that, it can't fall out. Just put that there. I also sprinkled some 100% healthy cocoa on it. Final touch, for a nice touch, I'll just take 1 leaf and just place it here on each pancake. It's really nice. Thank you for watching, thank you for your patience, and I hope you have learned something today. I'm Silvester from the Boredom Killer channel. Very good. A bit too much cocoa though, but got lots of eggshells inside there. Looks great. Oops. Yeah, still kind of managed to